Welcome to Princess Stories for Kids, where magical stories come to life with Princess Anastasija and Princess Atina. Snuggle up and get ready for another wonderful adventure, filled with magic, love, and friendship. Let's journey together to the land of dreams and imagination.
The sun slowly peeked through the royal bedroom curtains. Anastasija was the first to open her eyes. Atina. Atina, she whispered with excitement. Today is the day. Her eyes sparkled like 1,000 stars. She couldn't wait to hold her magic wand. Her heart beat fast as she jumped out of bed. Atina jumped out of bed right away. Let's go. Let's try the wands, she shouted. Maza barked happily and wagged her tail. The room filled with laughter and little footsteps. Their pajamas were quickly replaced with sparkling shoes and a dress. Maza followed them everywhere, sniffing and bouncing with joy. They put on their dresses and placed crowns on their heads. Each girl carefully picked up her magic wand. Will it work? Asked Atina. We just have to believe, said Anastasija. They held their wands like the most precious treasures. Sunlight touched their dresses, and everything sparkled. They ran into the garden, with Maza chasing behind. Birds were singing, and the scent of roses and lavender filled the air. It was the perfect day for magic. The breeze whispered gently through the trees. Sunbeams danced across the flowers and made golden patches in the grass. It felt like even nature knew something special was about to happen. Anastasija lifted her wand. Abraca starlight, she called. Sparkly bubbles floated into the air. They moved gently with her breath. They touched flower petals, leaving trails of stardust. Anastasija clapped with joy and twirled in place. Then it was Atina's turn. Golden sun drop, she whispered. A glowing golden cloud formed above the flowers. It slowly spun and glowed with warm light. Little rays of magic floated down onto the lavender. Atina closed her eyes and smiled, enjoying her very first spell. Maza jumped up, trying to catch the golden cloud. Careful, the Maza, the princesses giggled. But Maza just barked again and leapt once more. A sparkle lit up her red collar. It was as if she, too, felt the magic of the day. The girls hugged her and kissed her little nose. Together they lifted their wands. Magical heart of friendship, they shouted. A glowing heart appeared in the air. It spun and sparkled brightly. Butterflies landed on it and turned into tiny stars. It was like a promise, they would always be together. The garden became even more beautiful. The flowers shimmered. The butterflies danced. Magic was real all around them. Even the trees seemed to sing with the wind. Clouds moved away to let more golden light in. The princesses looked around, amazed, they had created it all. Suddenly, a kind voice called from the castle window. Princesses, it's time to come home. Evening is near, said Queen Aneta. Anastasija and Atina looked at each other and smiled. Maza was already lying in the grass, yawning. We learned so much today, said Atina. And that magic is even better when we share it, added Anastasija. As the sun began to set, they walked back to the castle. Golden rays touched their dresses as they stepped along the path. The castle shone like a fairy tale dream in the distance. Maza hopped along beside them, tired but happy. All three were ready for rest after a magical day. And the first stars began to sparkle in the sky. Back in their room, they got ready for bed. The wands gently glowed beside their pillows. I can't wait for tomorrow, Atina whispered. Me too, said Anastasija with a smile. They closed their eyes with joy on their faces. Maza was already snoring softly at their feet. The magic of the day still shimmered in the quiet room. And that's how this magical day came to an end. Close your eyes, little dreamer. May your dreams be soft like clouds, warm like hugs, and full of sparkle. Good night, little one. Sleep peacefully and dream the sweetest dreams.